So this is the continuation of my previous vlogs, which is a part 1. So punta tayo dun sa taas, guys. This forest walk of Alexandra Bridge, guys, is all the way to the hill, and we are almost there. All we need to do is just walk a little bit at doon na tayo sa taas. We are now at in between of Alexandra and Tilok BLANGAH. We can see the view here sa taas. Ayan yung building. Maple tree. Doon tayo galing kanina, guys. Oh. Doon. Dito tayo galing kanina. Yan yung bridge. This is a good exercise of a day. And I already had 20,000 steps. Yan kita, day.
Di kami sa bukid ay.
Dito kami sa bundok. Nawala kami.
Andito kami sa bundok
Sa bundok ng ano?
ng Singapore.
Sa bundok ng Mount Faber ng Singapore. Nawala kami. Muntikan nang mawala yung hininga ko. Nawala kami, hindi ko alam kung saan na kami, pero hindi kami makarating ng Malaysia. Dito na kami, guys, oh. Ayan, oh. Hindi ko alam kung hanggang saan yan.
Galing naman nila maglagay nito, no? Steel na to.
Ang ganda, oh. Kung malaga. Ayan. Di ba maganda? Ayan. Kapag naligaw kami, may naligaw din. Ayan sa likod namin. And it says here there are squirrels. Ayan. Oh guys, now is we need to take a shortcuts. Staircase. Punta na tayo dito sa may Henderson wave. Hinihingal na ako. Staircase to heaven. Oh my! Kaya ta? Kaya natin. Okay. Tiptoeing in my toenail. Tiptoeing in my toenail. At the Henderson Bridge. Henderson Bridge, there I come. Oh my. Finally, we are here. What to do when you encounter a wild monkey? Be a monkey as well. Don't feed a monkey. Don't feed. We are here on top. Finally. Now is we need to walk faster. Dahil hindi pa kami nakarating ng Henderson waves. So nasa Mount Faber na kami, guys. But we are now here. Nasa car park. We need to find the map and direction. Where to walk? To the left or to the right? We need to see a map. Saan na tayo? To the left yata. Where are we? Henderson waves. There you go. Nawala kami, guys. 30 na, di pa kami nakain. Nawala kami. Sana kami nawala. Baka doon sa taas.
Guys, di ba may sign po?
Ayan, building na yan dyan. Doon, guys. Oh, doon, di makita. Pwede dito magtakla. Nawala kami. Baka pababa na to, day. There you go. Dito na tayo. Ayan, yung signs ay papunta doon. So, let's go. We are starving and hungry and thirsty. I do recommend to you guys, if you want to walk here sa trail, you need to go come early in the morning or in the night para hindi mainit. Now is we are finding the toilet and tap water to tap our water bottle. Now the weather is too nice to walk around. It's 12:45, 2 hours walk namin. So this path is going to the toilet. We are starving. Luckily, we are surrounded with the trees. Ayan yung maps. Maano na tayo, guys. Malapit na tayo. We are almost there. We're almost there. Ay, salamat. May tubig. Pwede makainom. I say so. There is a vending machine, toilet, and tap water. Let's refill our water bottle. Ayan na yung sign all the way to the top. Let's wait for our turn. Meron pang kumukuha ng tubig. This is the coolest things that I ever seen here in Singapore. Merong tap water na pwede mong inuman sa loob ng forested area. Tapos may nakalagay na be considerate and don't waste waters. Yan yung distilled water nila. Dito pag pumunta ka sa Henderson, guys, you can take a taxi down from the hill. Pwede rin mag-bicycle if you want to. Ayan, mga may taxi. O di kayo, pwede rin kayo maglakad katulad namin. We stop for a while. May distilled water sa dadaya. So, coming here at the Henderson Waves, dito sa WALK-TELOK BLANGAH Hill, all you need to do is you can take a taxi if you doesn't want to walk or hike. There are car parks in the other sides. Kaya ayan, malapit na kami. We are reaching our destination. I guess this is a good way to burn our fats. My fats. Diva. To burn your fats is to walk up to the hill. Parang mamumugto na yung aking hininga. What a sunny day. The weather is with me. O, diba? Ayan yung sign. Konting push pa. Konting push. Finally, we are here. We reach our destination. So dito tayo kanina galing, guys. Dito galing. Umakyat tayo dito. Dito forested area na to kanina. Tapos doon kanina sa may car park. Umakyat tayo dito, papunta dito. Saan dito na tayo sa may Henderson? Ito. Dito na tayo. Malayo-layo din yung linakad natin. We are completely at the hilltop. Dito sa may hilltop walk. Ayan, may vending machine doon, guys, sa may maliit na bahay kubo. If nauuhaw tayo, we can put coins in there and take soft drinks. And this is the history and the names of all the places here. So this is the hilltop now. So andito tayo sa Henderson. Pero puputulin ko na ito yung aking guys, kasi sumobra na tayo. We came from that side up to here. Today is weekend, Sunday, and there are a few ladies who are sitting in here. So this is the Henderson, the beginning of the Henderson, the highest bridge in Singapore. Ayan, kung maririnig nyo yung huni ng crickets. Finally, we reach our destination. We are now at the Henderson Bridge. So magbibigyan tayo mamaya. Actually, we lost our way. That's because first time namin pumunta dito, came from Alexandra Arch. Tapos naglakad kami doon sa may forest walk papunta dito. So we need to take a break only for 15 minutes. Tapos in my next vlog, I'm gonna show you the Henderson Bridge, the highest and tallest bridge in Singapore. By the way, we need to wear our face mask on for our safety. So, thank you so much for watching. God bless and keep safe sa inyo. Bye!